Here, the question is, in the figure, AOB and COD are straight lines. So AOB, that means these angles, and COD, these angles are straight lines. Right now, the question says find the value of X and Y. So from this figure, we need to find out the value of X and Y. So how can you solve it? Question number 1. If we draw this figure in this way, just look at this line. This one is COD and this line is AOB. Then here we can create vertically opposite angle. This angle and this angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. So we can say these two angles must be equal. So here, if COB and AOD, these two angles are equal, then we can say that 6x degree equal to 34 degree plus 186 degree minus 4x degree. These angles are equal. Why? Because of vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now solve this one. So if I move minus 4x here, then 6x plus 4x, 6x plus 4x, and here 34 plus 186. So 6 plus 4, 10, we have 1. So 9 plus 3, 12, we have 1, 2, 2 to 0. Then 6 plus 4 will be 10x equal to 220 degree. Then x degree will be 220 by 10. So if we divide 220 by 10, it will be 22 degree. So this is the measurement of x. Okay. Now we need to find out the measurement of y. So we can say these two angles, 6x and 3y, sum of these two will make 180. So here 6x plus 3y will make 180. Why? Because here we can say adjacent angles on a straight line. On a straight line. So here x is 22. So we can write 6 multiplied by 22 plus 3y will make 180. Now 3y will be 180 minus. What is 6? What is 6 multiplied by 22? If we multiply 6 to the 12, we have 1. 6 to 12 plus 1, 30. 132 degree. Okay. Always give degree sign in that way. Okay. Now, what will be the measurement of y? Y will be 180 minus 132. So here it will be 8. Then 448 degree divided by 3, or after dividing 48 by 3, we will get 60 degree. So this is the answer of this problem. So question number 1, the value of x is 22 and the value of y is 16 degree. Now question number 2, find obtuse AOD and reflex COE. So AOD, obtuse AOB means this angle. Okay, so what is the measurement of this angle? We need to find it out. So here the value of x is 22 and the value of y is 60. We have already find out this one in question number 1. Now in question number 2, find obtuse AOD. So AOD, obtuse AOD will be 34 plus this one. So 34 degree plus 186 degree minus 4x degree. So 34 plus 186, that means 4 plus 6, 10, we have 1. 9 plus 3, 12, have 1, 220 degree minus 4 multiplied by x. What is the measurement of x? 22. So 4 multiplied by 22. So 220 degree minus 88 degree. Now solve. So 8, 9, 10. So 2, we have 1, 9, 9, 3, 12. So 132 degree. And we know that 132 is obtuse angle. Why obtuse angle? Because 132 is greater than 90 degree but less than 180. So by the definition of obtuse angle, we can easily say 132 degree is obtuse angle. Now we need to find out reflex COE. So at first we will find out COE. Then we will find out reflex COE. So what is COE? We can say this one is COE. Easily say, or reflex COE, this one is COE. Try to understand. This one is COE. But if I want to say reflex COE, then it will be this value. This is the largest angle. Will be the reflex COE. At first we will find out COE, then we will subtract from 360. So here, if this one is 3y, can I say this one is also 3y? Because vertically opposite angle. Am I right? So we can say COE will be 3y plus 34 degree. Here, what is the measurement here? Measurement of 3y, that means 3 multiplied by 16 plus 34 degree. 3 16 are 48 plus 34. Then 8 plus 4, 12. We have 1. 4 plus 4, 82. That is the measurement of COE, this angle. Now, what will be the reflex COE? Reflex COE will be 360 degree minus 82 degree. Then answer will be 8, then 9, then it will be 10. So 7 and 2, 278. So this is one method. Now I want to show you another method. Reflex COE can be found out in this way. Look, the largest angle. Here we will get 6x, here we will get 3y, here we will get 186 minus 4x. Now 6 minus 4 is twice x plus 3y plus 186. So what is the measurement of x? That is 22. So 2 multiplied by 22 plus what is the measurement of y? 16. So 3 multiplied by 16 plus 186. Now 2 22s are 44 degree plus 3 16s are 48 degree plus 186. Now add them. If we add, then we will get 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. We have 1. 9 plus 8, that will be 17. We have 1. 278. Look, both way we will get same result. So this one will be the reflex COE. So you can choose any method to solve this one.